Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to upload Chart of Accounts CSV into NetSuite. As you can see here, this is the list of our current Chart of Accounts. As you'll notice, the 7000 series ends at account number 7200. Let me go ahead and open the CSV file. I've included the necessary fields, but feel free to add any additional information as needed. For the subsidiary field, I use the internal ID to ensure accurate mapping in the CSV file. To import the CSV file, navigate to Setup, Import CSV records in NetSuite. In the Import Type field, select Accounting. Then, under Record Type, choose Chart of Accounts. After that, upload the CSV file you prepared earlier. Select Add and click Next. Map the fields in your CSV file to the corresponding NetSuite fields. For the subsidiary field, be sure to select Internal ID as the reference type to ensure accurate mapping. Enter an import name to save the field mapping for future use, then click Save and Run to begin the import process. You can see that the import was processed successfully. Let's refresh the Chart of Accounts list to verify that the new account has been added. The account was added successfully, and there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.